Hi guys, it's Tony, and today we are going to create this rolling text animation in Figma. Let's start by adding our text to empty canvas, and let's resize the frame a bit, and let's make sure that text is aligned to the middle of the text frame. We want to leave a bit of space to top and the bottom of the text frame to make sure that the text doesn't overflow too much when we animate the text. Next, we want to duplicate the text frame, and we will recreate each of the letters individually. We will use the first text layer as a placeholder to position the individual letters. I will speed this up a bit, but make sure you have each of the letters recreated. Now that we have created all of the letters, we want to go back to the original text frame and delete it. After that, let's select all of the letters and let's create a frame of them. Now we will start preparing for the animation. First, we want to duplicate the individual letters and place them above and below the original positions. You can go wild in this phase and duplicate the letters as many times as you want to create different type of animations. Let's speed this up a bit again, but make sure that you create this effect for all of the letters. Next, let's duplicate the frame, and this will become the end state for our animation. So what we want to do is to select one vertical line of the letters at a time and use the nudge tool to drag the letters to the other side of the frame. And make sure that the letters will stay inside the frame, since if they go outside of the frame, they are not going to be animated. This is why using the nudge tool will be helpful here. Now that we have set both frames correctly, let's select both of them and turn the clip content on. This will hide the overflowing letters, which is a very important part of this animation. Next, we want to add the interaction between the two frames. So go to the prototyping mode and drag the noodle from the first frame to the second frame. Set the trigger to be after delay and 1 millisecond. And the transition should be Smart Animate. Now we can go to the preview mode and we can see that the animation is actually working. Let's just set the device to be none for a while, so it's more visible what we just did. And now we see that it works pretty nicely. The animation could be a bit smoother though, so we can go back to the prototyping mode and switch the animation a bit. You can play around with different settings to find out the animation that you like the most. As you can see, it can take some trial and error to find out the best one. I want the ending of the animation to be a bit smoother here, so I will go to the custom one and make the end of the animation a bit smoother here by dragging the noodle. And now I think that we achieved the effect that we wanted to achieve here. Next, we want to create a component set out of it, so we can utilize it in our prototypes and in various different ways. So select both of the frames and go to the component menu and select component set. Now you can just easily drag and drop it to the canvas or into the different frames wherever you want to use it. So now if we want to use this in our prototypes, we can select a new frame, in this case a MacBook Pro. And let's just drag the component into the frame. And then we will select the right device for the prototype and hit play. and we can see the animation working nicely. Also, when we created the component out of it, we can easily modify the variant of it. So basically, you can change the colors and you can resize it easily in the prototype frame. This was it. We made the rolling animation text in Figma. If you want to learn how to create this also in Framer and how to implement it into websites without any code, check out the other video in my channel. And also, thanks for watching, and if you have any ideas or comments or feedback, drop them into the comments below. And if you like the video, remember to like it and subscribe for my channel for more content like this. Thanks a lot.